Do you wake up feeling like your brain is stuck in a thick cloud? That frustrating, heavy feeling we call brain fog isn't just being tired. It's your brain running on empty, struggling to execute simple tasks. If this condition is crushing your productivity, especially if you're a busy adult 30 to 50, your brain needs an intervention. For decades, we blamed coffee or willpower, but the root cause is deeper. It's a failure of two core brain chemicals and a specific neural process. Today, we'll cut through the confusion and show you the 3 neuroscience hacks proven to restore your mental clarity and brain energy instantly. Stay until the end, because hack number 3 works in less than 60 seconds and is the quickest focus fix available to you right now. Let's quickly define the enemy. Brain fog is usually a failure of 2 systems. First, your brain's focus gas pedal, the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, is not firing efficiently. Acetylcholine is responsible for attention, learning, and the speed of your thoughts. If it's low, you feel slow. Second, the culprit that reduces this firing is often systemic inflammation. When your body's inflammatory response goes up, whether from diet, poor sleep, or chronic stress, it interferes with those neural connections, crippling your precious brain energy. This is how long-term chronic stress physically slows down your ability to process information. This isn't laziness. This is a real condition that demands targeted adult stress solutions. Understanding this science makes the fixes far more effective. Ready to start fixing it? Let's start with a hack so simple you'll think I'm joking. Hack number 1, the ice water shot. Don't just sip water slowly. When you feel the thick brain fog hit, that feeling where you can't read the same sentence twice, you need to drink 12 ounces of cold water as quickly as is comfortable. The science. Cold water provides a powerful shock to your system. It stimulates your vagus nerve, which runs from your brainstem to your abdomen, instantly activating the sympathetic nervous system. This is a non-caffeine jolt that delivers an immediate focus boost and a sharp moment of mental clarity. It literally interrupts the foggy pattern. But here's the key you absolutely cannot miss. Add a small pinch of high-quality salt, like sea salt. Your brain needs those electrolytes now to drive the water where it needs to go, into your cells. This vagus nerve activation is crucial for managing the background noise of stress, making this an essential adult stress solution. This combination is your quick fix for dehydration-induced brain fog, a top cause for 30 to 50 adults who suffer from chronic low brain energy. Do this anytime between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. when the fog usually rolls in. Hack number 2, the 2-minute light reset. If you are struggling with productivity while stuck indoors, you are fighting your own biology. Your body's master clock, your circadian rhythm, is wired to light, specifically blue light. The science. Getting direct sunlight, even for a few minutes, immediately suppresses melatonin and floods the brain with cortisol, which in the morning is exactly what you want. Cortisol is the alertness hormone that drives wakefulness and speeds up that slow acetylcholine. If it's low, your brain thinks it's still twilight and keeps the brain fog on standby. You don't need an hour at the beach. You need 2 minutes. Step outside, look towards the horizon, not directly at the sun, and just breathe. If you can't go outside because of weather or time, hack 2.5 is using the brightest light therapy lamp you can find. It's an excellent indoor supplement. But here's the crucial flip side. If you expose yourself to bright light in the night, you sabotage your sleep and guarantee brain fog the next morning. This small, consistent focus hack is a game changer for adult productivity thrivers needing instant mental clarity and a massive reduction in daily brain fog. The key is to do it consistently every day, even when you don't feel like it. We save the fastest for last. Hack number 3, the cross-body interrupt. When your brain is cloudy, it's stuck in a slow, tired, predictable pattern. You need a cognitive jolt, a rapid shift in attention to force a neural reset. The science: simple, quick cross-body movement, like marching in place and touching your right hand to your left knee, forces your brain to activate both hemispheres simultaneously. It engages both motor and sensory areas across the corpus callosum. This massive burst of cognitive load is too much for the brain fog pattern to handle. It's a true interrupt. Do this for just 30 seconds. This is your ultimate instant fix against brain fog. It forces a complete neural reset, bringing you back to the present moment, improving productivity, and acting as a fantastic stress relief mechanism. You will physically feel the shift in your nervous system. Remember to apply the water hack immediately after this movement for a double synergistic effect. You now have the 3 most powerful neuroscience hacks to beat brain fog and restore brain energy. Stop accepting low mental clarity. These are your new adult stress solutions. If this helped clear your mind, make sure you're subscribed to Safe Habits for more science-backed fixes. Your next step in the journey is tackling those racing thoughts. If your brain fog often leads to the noisy, racing thoughts of mental chaos, then the perfect video to watch next is about stopping that chaos. Click the video that YouTube recommends on your screen right now. It'll continue your brain reset journey and help you regain focus and control.